Good morning, everyone. Happy Hump Day. I'm back with another Python practice coding video. Today I am on Data in Motion's Replacing Characters question. I will leave a link down to that course down below in the description in case you guys want to check it out. But let's go ahead and get started. The instruction is to write a Python function that accepts a string and replaces all digits in the string with the hashtag symbol. Use regular expressions in your solution. And they give us an example of a string that we can do a test case on. So let's go ahead and get started. As you know, I already created my main and I copied in that string for a test case. And then as a test case, I'm going to call my function and input that string as an argument. And then at the end, we're printing out that test case. So I decided to call my solution functions replace digits. So let's go ahead and get that defined here at the top. And then, of course, in the parameters, we're going to add some sort of string. So I'm going to put some underscore string inside of the parameter here. And let's go ahead and add a pass here while we look into creating that logic for this solution function. It's stated that we need to use regular expressions. So, of course, at the top here, we're going to import that. So we can use that package. So we just put import RE. And that allows us to use functions out of that package regular expression. So of course, I'm still becoming familiar with regular expressions. So I did pull up a website to help us with this solution. It's called W3 Schools. And how I found this was I just simply Googled regular expressions in Python. So let's go ahead and see how we will go about solving this. Here are some of the functions we can use. And right away, I found out that sub will probably be one we're interested in because it replaces one or many matches with a string. And as you see in our instructions, we're replacing all the digits with the string hashtag symbol. So let's go ahead and look at the example for sub and see how we would go about solving this. And I also noticed that a set of characters where they passed in A and M, I think we will also be using this because we want to essentially look at all numbers from 0 to 9 and replace them with the hashtag symbol. So I think we're going to use set, but let's just keep going down and see their example of how to use sub to see if we can get this done. And we're an example of sub. So they have the string here, and they're setting a variable and using sub, and it looks like they are let's see, replace every white space character with the number 9. So they're replacing, I guess this is the character for white space in TXT. They're replacing with 9, but let me see what the slash means. See if I understand that. Slash S. So it returns a match where the string contains a white space. So yeah, that is how they're finding a white space. So they're finding the white space, and then they're replacing it with 9. And this is the string that they are calling to perform that on. So in this string, each space here is going to be replaced with 9, if I understand it correctly. So let's go ahead and start on our solution. I'm going to go back to the top because I think it's because ours is a range, we'll be using those brackets. So let's go back up and let's look at the sets here. So I'm thinking the one we're interested in is this one because we want each digit between 0 and 9. So let's go ahead and use this and try to fill in our solution. So let's go ahead and start with return. And then what we want to do is RE because we're using that library, and we want the sub function. And then inside our sub function, I think we're going to do the 0 to 9. So let's do the bracket here. And let's put the 0 through 9. Oh, not like that, Lord. Let's see. 0 through 9 in the bracket. And let's scroll back down and look at their example again. Let's go back down to sub. So first they have what we're looking to replace. And then we'll put a comma and we're replacing it with the hashtag. And then what string is some string. Okay, so I believe this is correct, but the only way to know is to go ahead and test it and see what we get. So let's go ahead. Let me look at it again. So re.sub, we want to give it what we're looking for in the first position, then what we want to replace it with, and then finally the string that we're using. Let's test this and see what we get. So down here in the console, let's just do Python 3, and then again you can start typing in your file name and tab to complete it, and let's hit enter. And it looks like that is correct, because essentially what it wants to do was replace all the digits with the hashtag symbol. So if you look here, all of the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 has been converted to that hashtag, and everything else remains the same. So this is my solution. Let me know how you would have solved it. Let me know if you have any tips for me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.